In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Yahoo email account. Now, whether you're looking to close an old account you no longer use or you're consolidating your email addresses, it's important to follow these steps carefully to ensure everything is handled properly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This can be anything from Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any others that you regularly use. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Yahoo account deletion page, which can be found at https://login.yahoo.com/account/delete. This is an official Yahoo page specifically designed for this process, so make sure you're on the correct site for your security and peace of mind. Once you arrive at the Yahoo account deletion page, you'll need to sign in with the specific Yahoo email account that you wish to delete. This is a crucial step because the deletion process will pertain only to the account you log into. Be sure to double check that you're accessing the right account to avoid closing an email you actually want to keep. After signing in, you'll be presented with information and warnings about the permanent deletion of your account. It's important to take the time to carefully read through this information as it outlines what will happen once you proceed with deleting your account. Remember, this is not a reversible process, so be sure you're absolutely certain that you want this email account deleted before moving forward. During the process, Yahoo might prompt you to verify your identity. This could involve receiving a code on a secure phone number associated with your account, or perhaps an email to an alternative email address that you have set for recovery purposes. This step is crucial as it's designed to protect your account from unauthorized access and ensure it's you making this major decision. Once you've verified your identity and you're sure you understand the permanent nature of this action, go ahead and click on the Terminate this account button. Clicking this will serve as your confirmation for Yahoo to proceed with the account deletion. After completing these steps, your Yahoo account will be scheduled for permanent removal. Do note that there might be a grace period provided by Yahoo in case you decide to change your mind, but once this period elapses, there's no turning back. Your data, emails, and associated services will no longer be accessible. And just like that, you've scheduled your Yahoo email account for deletion. Make sure to save any important data you might need before going through this process. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below. Until next time, see you soon.